So when I want to spend on unnecessary things, I'm just like, nope, you can't avoid. Why do I keep saying avoid?
So one of the things that I do is I just put it into an account where it's very hard to withdraw from, because in order for me to withdraw, I would need to go over the counter and then I have to wait and wait and wait and wait. Eventually, I just gave up because it's just been too long. So that's how I avoid spending my savings.
So I save in gold. So unlike cash, gold is not so easy to cash out. So usually when I don't have the cash, I don't spend.
So I have two accounts. One is my saving account. This is where I put in a set amount of money every month. And the other is my daily transaction account. This is what I use whenever I need to spend on for the rest of the month. This is so I don't touch my savings account.
So I trick my mind into thinking I'm broke. So when I want to overspend on things that I don't need, I am just like, nope, you can't afford that, you can't afford that, you can't afford that. And I avoid spending my savings that way.
I'm naturally cheap, so it's much easier for me than for a lot of others. But the key thing is to be disciplined and never to spend money that you've set aside for savings.
I have a monthly budget planner so that I know where my money goes to and I can avoid spending on anything unnecessarily.